He'll throw wide under endless skies. The rivers hum their lullabies. Mountains cradle the morning light. Whisper secrets through the night. Dusty roads lead to wooded dreams. Pickaxe tales drift down the streams. Porch swings creak with tales of old. Hearts here weather both heat and cold. Life flows steady like the winding creek. Here we find the peace that we seek. Through hills that call out soft and true. West Virginia, I'll sing for you. Wrinkled hand stitched borrowed thread. Homemade pies and cornbread spread. Laughter echoes in the warm lit halls. From summer fairs to the winter balls. The cicadas sing when the sun slips low. Stars come out in a homebound glow. Roots run deep where the wild winds roam. In this place I'll forever call home. Every sunrise paints a golden hue. Cold dust fades under sky so blue. Generations stand hand in hand. West Virginia, promised land. Life flows steady like the winding creek. Here we find the peace that we seek. Through hills that call out soft and true. West Virginia, I'll sing for you.